So these are the pieces, the kite and the dart. And let's choose another color. So it has the deep river and the shallow river. So when you put these together, the sides should match as well. And so this is the side matching, but the rivers do not. So that's not a legal pairing. This way, it is okay. So then if I have another kite, then I can probably put it this way and maybe that way. Okay, so the river is also matching. Colors don't matter, they just for aesthetic purposes, and the goal is to continue this styling as far as possible. It is actually possible up to infinity, and there is one catch, is that the pattern will never be symmetrical, never be repeating. So this is an aperiodic tiling.